What's up, my YouTube people? Look, I just got a call. Shocking. So, you hear a lot of instructors call themselves the best in the industry and all this other stuff. And let me tell you, I'm not one of the guys to say that unless I'm talking to like a friend of mine and they're trying to make some decisions. I just, tell them, hey, look, I'm one of the best in Georgia. And I don't normally say one of the best in Georgia. Because I think that's being modest, and everybody wants to believe that they're the best. So that's not any arrogance or somebody calling themselves the best, because you should always feel like you're the best at what you do if you know you put passion into something. Now, reason for this video is I just got a call. Let me tell you, I'm freaking shocked. It's unfreaking believable. The instructors out here in the state of Georgia teaching security, the ways that they are teaching. Let me tell you guys, I'm gonna put this up on my website. Wow. Be careful where you go to get your training from, okay? Let me tell you, 5 days a week I'm doing training, okay? I'm standing up, I'm teaching. I'm teaching from my mouth. There's no videos in my classroom teaching you anything. We watch videos only for analytical purposes, to show you what you're looking for in the criminal element, to show you how not to shoot, to show you how to be safe, etc., etc. There is not a time that you're going to watch a video in my class to learn how to do your job. Alright? I think it's very sad that an instructor sits a classroom down, walks to the back of the class, and puts on a video for you guys to watch for 8 hours. That is freaking crazy. Alright? If you come to my classroom, here are the guarantees. You are going to walk out of here with knowledge. Alright, knowledge to hit the streets and give an appropriate mentality and personality and professionalism and ethics and integrity to your job. Not just some, man, I don't know what I learned because all I did was watch 1980, 78 videos. Alright, it is your job to make better decisions when it comes to choosing your instructional platform. Here's the other thing. I am the cheapest price-wise that I know in the state of Georgia. And cheap does not mean, or inexpensive does not mean poor quality. Let me tell you, ask any of my students, they will tell you what it's like on the range for them. They will tell you what it's like in classroom for them. Okay? I teach you how to write motions in court. Okay? I teach you the legal systems. Okay? I teach you how to prevent to getting your civil rights violated, etc. How to write open records requests. Anything that you can think of. While these instructors are having you watching videos, it just sickens me. Alright? You guys, get yourself right, man. Come to get some real training right here at Elite Public Safety Training Academy. Alright? I'm not begging for students. I'm not crying for students. And I definitely don't have a superior need to take anybody's students from them. Alright? I do very good in this industry. But I hate to see people when they get outed by these doing crazy instructors that's just showing them videos. Alright? I'm not even going to say what I just heard some instructors doing. I'm just going to say that it's illegal and they shouldn't be doing it because I thought much better of them. Y'all have a good one. Hope y'all watch this video and you take it serious. If you're in Georgia, you get some security training, come see me. At least sit down with me and ask me some questions. Alright? Run some comparisons. As a matter of fact, I'll let you come sit in my classroom for free for 1 day just to get a comparison. Alright? Y'all have a good one. You know I love you, and make sure y'all win that goddamn fight, man. It's important.